everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law Classes. My name is Brijesh, I'm the English faculty here. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss 10 words that have been taken in the recent The Hindu newspapers. As you know, the vocab section play a vital role when it comes to English section, right? Not only in English section, but also in legal, GK, critical reasoning, and others, you have passages, and those passages are full of technical and difficult words. So if you have command over vocab, you will be doing great in your examination. Okay, so in order to be very good at vocabulary, you have to continuously practice vocab so that you inculcate the word in your mind. Okay, so let us start. The first word in the list is errant. Errant is complete or utter, utterly, puri tarike se, right? Synonyms are downright, thoroughgoing, absolute, complete, thorough, right? Despite what we have all been led to believe, it's hard to argue with your rant logic. So you can understand that somebody is giving a rant, logic is completely illogical, right? The next word in the list is consequential. So you understand the term consequences, matlab iske jo aftermath honge, parinam honge, that is consequential, is in adjective form. So following as a result or effect, resulting, resultant, ensuing, consequent, following. See, learning this synonym when you are reading a word helps you inculcate the synonyms as well. Hota kya hai, you only focused on one word and uska jo synonym aayega, you'll be confused. So I would suggest you to go with the word and synonym at the same time. Usage are, the partial footprint was consequential in resolving the case. The next word in the list is attenuate. Attenuate is reduce the force, effect or value of किसी भी चीज के शक्ति को कम कर देना, right? प्रभाव को कम कर देना. So weakened, reduced, lessened, decreased, diminished, impaired are some of the synonyms of the word attenuate. Usage in the classroom, educators often try to attenuate conflicts by separating the students. होता है ना classroom में teachers क्या करते हैं, दो बच्चे आपस में अगर झगड़ा कर रहे हैं तो just उन्हें दूर-दूर बिठा दो. So this situation will attenuate the conflict, right? The next word in the list is precarious. Precarious means जिस पे आप भरोसा न कर सको. That can be dangerous. That can be unstable. So unstable and dangerous. Other synonyms are uncertain, insecure, unreliable, unsure, unpredictable. So swimming without a life jacket is precarious. You know that water is a natural thing and कोई भी natural thing अगर बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में हो, so it can turn into a disaster anytime, right? So it is precarious if you are swimming without a life jacket in a deep water. Next word is innervate. Innervate sounds like energy, right? But it is just opposite of energy. It is like to deprive the force or strengthen, weaken. So let's say you are just going in a sun or running in a sun, so your energy will enervate. होता है ना, exhaust हो जाओगे, tire, fatigue, weary, wear out, devitalize. So these all are the synonyms to the word enervate. The scorching sun enervated the mountain climbers. All right. The next word in the list is equivocate. Equivocate का मतलब होता है बहुत ही घुमा फिरा के किसी को अपने बातों में उलझाना, right? To deceive or mislead someone using unclear language. ऐसा व्यक्ति करता क्यों है? ताकि सामने वाले को धोखा दे सके. So prevaricate, be evasive, be non-committal, be vague, be ambiguous. अब देखो ऐसे situation, ऐसे term का use करना जो कि clear ना हो. अगर मैं ऐसे term का use कर रहा हूँ, it means I just want to deceive somebody, right? इसलिए बहुत ही clear conversation जो होते हैं वो equivocate नहीं होते हैं. If somebody is equivocating, it means कि वो कहीं न कहीं से deceive करना चाहते हैं. The prosecutor hoped he could equivocate enough to trick the suspect into confessing, right? So to deceive or mislead someone using unclear language is equivocate. Assiduous. Assiduous मतलब ऐसा व्यक्ति जो अपने काम को बहुत ही diligently कर रहा है, right? Showing the due diligence, showing a great care and perseverance. Diligent, careful, meticulous. Meticulous is very synonymous to the interchangeable synonymous to assiduous. Not all the synonyms are interchangeable, but some are interchangeable in nature. So thorough, sedulous, and sedulous is also same. Attentive. With an assiduous attitude, we will finish this project. Means when you are showing due diligence, आप अपने काम को पूरी ईमानदारी निष्ठा से कर रहे. Next word in the list is lassitude. Lassitude means a state of lethargy, tiredness and a lack of energy, lethargy, listlessness, weariness, languor, sluggishness, innervation. Innervate abhi humne kiya tha, right? So when you are innervated, you become lassitude. So people who do not sleep well are often worn out during the day because of lassitude. So आज का जो young generation है वो रात्रि के 2 बजे तक जगता है and उसके बाद वो सुबह जल्दी अगर उठता है तो उसका पूरा दिन आप समझ सकते हो lassitude में ही बीतेगा, right? Next word is sycophant. It is not psychopath, it is sycophant. Sycophant को basically आप flattener कह सकते हो, चापलूस कह सकते हो, a person who acts obsequiously. Obsequious मतलब not all the glitters are gold. हर जैसा चीज वो दिखता है जरूरी नहीं हो वैसा हो. That is obsequious, right? Towards someone important in order to gain advantage, है ना? तो चाटुकारिता हिंदी में बोलते हैं, उसे आप sycophant कह सकते हो. Creep, coddler, fodder. These are some of this word. Flatterer is actual interchangeable synonym with the sycophant. Usage are, although you are definitely not a sycophant, you do tend to pay a lot of compliments to people in authority. So you can understand this term sycophant as a flatterer. The next word in the list is mortality. So immortal matlab something that is subject to death, and immortal means never death. Okay. So mortality is the noun form, being subject to death. Impermanence समझ सकते हो कोई चीज जो परमानेंट नहीं है. Temporarily, right? Transience जो क्षणभंगुर होते हैं, क्षण में खत्म हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि ओस की बूंद है ना. Perishability जो perish हो सके. The mortality rate continues to rise in areas where adequate medical care is scarce. So I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video today. In order to learn them by heart, you have to make a note of all these words and keep revising them. You can follow us on various social media platforms to be regular updated with the law and other information. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. All the very best for your upcoming CLAT examination.